how to extend C drive space on Windows 10 without any software. Windows has a disk partitioning system where C drive generally stores all the system files and program installation files. Those who have smaller storage capacity or the ones who play heavy games know that someday or the other the purity of space in C drive pops up. So how you can fix this issue? So if you want to fix this issue, then watch the video till the end. First of all, you can only extend the volume of C drive if the nearest drive, which is D, is empty and unallocated. You can't extend the C drive storage from E or F or the next drive. So what you need to do is either move your D drive files to other drives like E or F and so on. So first of all, right click on the Windows Start menu and open Disk Management. I'm assuming that you have made a backup of all your files from D drive. Now right click on D drive and click on Delete Volume. It will format the partition and make it an unallocated partition. Next, right click on the C drive partition and select Extend Volume. A pop-up window will open up. Keep clicking on Next and finally click on Finish. Finally, your C drive will be merged and storage system will be increased instantly. So this is how you can extend C drive space on Windows 10. So that is how you can expand the storage of C drive without any software.